Well, sticking with sports, baseball's free agency period started last Friday, and it's already shaping up to be a buyer's market. Greg Miles has a story on this year's free agent crop. Greg, tell us more.
Yeah, Betty, the boys this summer, they're going to have a very, very cold winter. In fact, 171 players filed for free agency, just last week. But the key here is that when you look at what's going on with free agency, there's usually a lot of numbers floating around, about who's going to be buying what price. What's happening here, there are two factors that are stopping that this year. Number one, the economy. Bud Selig, the commissioner of the league, saying that you're having much lower attendance at teams. And also, you got two big teams that are not buying out this year. That's number one. You got the New York Yankees. Of course, they were successful this year with the World Series. They bought three players for more than $400 million, in the free agent market that last year. They don't need that. Then you also got the owner, the owner of the Los Angeles Dodgers. He's involved in a divorce suit with his wife. She wants a piece, the action, the baseball action. So he's out of there. So you're talking about a lot of forces really causing really less supply and less demand.
And the last year, Greg, the list of free agents was pretty stellar. So who's coming on the markets this year?
That's right. By the way, Betty, a key here really when you look at the agent this year, the market this year, is that the quality is not as strong as last year, according to the people we talked to. But there are three players, that people are looking at very carefully. Number one, it's John Lackey. He's the pitcher for the Los Angeles Angels. We're talking about Matt Holliday. He's an outfielder for the St. Louis Cardinals, and also Jason Bay, an outfielder for the Red Sox. Now he wants out of Beantown, but he's going to get out of there for a lot lower, probably, than you could have gotten there last year.
And Matt Holliday, speaking about him, he's a prize player on this year's list. His agent, I believe, is also the same for Mark Teixeira, who got like an 8-year, $180 million contract. I mean, is he going to be able to get the same for Holliday?
That's right. Scott Boras is a legendary negotiator, known for squeezing money out of all the team owners. He argues, obviously, that his client, Holliday, deserves the same size of contract as Teixeira. But the bottom line is, we're talking about this year, you're just not going to get it in this kind of market, but he's probably going to get dramatically less than Teixeira.
Okay, so tell us, Greg, what teams are going to be buying this year, or out buying this year?
Well, it won't be a lot of teams, but they'll include, by the way, the Boston Red Sox, also the Cubbies, and also, by the way, the New York Mets. People are asking, the New York Mets, could they spend $2 billion, would they still win a World Series? That's what inquiring minds.
Inquiring minds want to know. I'll complete that for you, Greg. Thanks so much, Greg Miles, on the free agent.